My name is Sanya Chaman Sheikh. I am from 12th standard Junadia PU Girls College, Kurchi. My topic is embryology. Fertilization. The fusion of a haploid male gamete sperm and a haploid female gamete ovum to form a diploid zygote is called fertilization. In human beings, fertilization takes place mostly in the amphilar region of the oviduct. Approach of a sperm towards the secondary oocyte. During copulation, the male genitalia discharges around 3.5 ml of semen into the vagina. Close to the cervix, female reproductive system, this is called insemination. The motile sperms swim rapidly, pass through the cervix, enter the uterus and finally reach the ampullary region, fallopian tube, where fertilization takes place. There are as many as 200 to 300 million sperms released in the vagina, but only 100 sperms reach the fallopian tube. Many sperms are either killed by the acidity of the female genital tract or engulfed by phagocytes of the vaginal amphib. The sperms swim in the seminal fluid at the rate of 1 to 4 mm per minute by the action of the uterus and peristaltic movement, the fallopian tube. Capacitation is the phenomenon of philosophical maturation of sperms by breaking down of the acrosome membrane, the female genital tract. The penetration of sperm. The fertilizing and anti-fertilizing interaction causes agglutination or sticking together of egg and sperm. Penetration oocyte membrane by a sperm occurs by means of a chemical mechanism. The acrosome of a sperm undergoes an acrosomal reaction and releases an acidic protein called sperm lysine, which the egg envelope. The sperm lysine contains hyaluronidase, which dissolves the hyaluronic acid matrix holding the granulosa cells of the radiata. Acrosine or zona lysine from the acrosome dissolves the zona pellucida. A sperm that comes in contact with the zona pellucida layer of the oocyte induces changes in the oocyte membrane, the entry of additional sperms, preventing polyspermy. Cortical reaction. Immediately after the fusion of the sperm and a plasma membrane of the oocyte, the secondary oocyte shows the cortical reaction. In this reaction, the cortical granules present beneath the egg's plasma membrane fuse with the plasma membrane oocyte and releases their contents, including certical enzymes between the plasma membrane and zona pellucida. These enzymes harden the zona pellucida and form a fertilization membrane which prevents the entry of additional sperms. Entrance of the sperm induces completion of the second meiotic division is the secondary oocyte, and it turns into the second meiotic division is also unequal and results in the formation of the second polar body of a haploid ovule. Fusion of a gametic nuclei. The head of sperm, which contains the nucleus, detaches or separates from the middle piece and the sperm tail. The egg nucleus or female pronucleus is ready for union with the male pronucleus, which is present within the sperm. The male and female pronuclei fuse together. The zygote is a diploid unicellular cell which has 46 chromosomes in one. Embryonic development. Cleavage. Cleavage is a series of rapid mitotic divisions of the zygote which convert single cell zygote into multicellular structure blastocytes. About 30 hours after fertilization, the newly formed zygote divides into cells, blastomeres, in the upper port fallopian tube. This is the first cleavage. The next division occurs within 40 hours after fertilization. The third division occurs about 3 days after fertilization. During these early cleavages, the young embryo is slowly moving down the fallopian tube towards the uterus. At the end of the 4th day, the embryonic reaches the uterus. It has 8 to 16 blastomeres, and this solid mass of cells is morula, little mulberry, as it looks like mulberry. When the blastomeres divide completely, the cleavage is called holoblastic, blastocyst, and blastomeres. At the next stage of development, which produces an embryo with about 64 cells, a cavity is formed within cell mass. This cavity is called the blastocyst cavity, and the embryo is termed as the blastocyte, which is composed of an ovule of cells, the trophoblast or tropoectoderm, and an inner mass cell. Implantation. The process of blastocyst getting embedded in the endometrium of the uterus is called implantation. Though the implantation may occur at any period between 6th and 10th day of after fertilization, but generally it occurs in 7th day after fertilization. The blastocyst sinks into a pit formed in the endometrium to get completely buried in the endometrium. The blastocyst forms finger-like projections called villi to get nourishment. Zona pellucida becomes thinner and finally disappears. The function of zona pellucida is to prevent implantation, abnormal site which could lead to ectopic or extrauterine pregnancy. Gastrulation. The blastocyst continues with the development process even when implantation is taking place. Formation of blastula is called gastrulation. Immediately after implantation, the inner cell mass differentiates into an outer layer called ectoderm and layer called endoderm. Placenta. After implantation, finger-like projections appear on the trophoblast called the chorionic villi, which are surrounded by the uterine tissue and maternal blood. The chorionic villi and uterine tissue become interdigitate with each other and jointly form a structural and functional unit between the developing embryo and the maternal body called the placenta. The function of the placenta is as follows. It supplies of oxygen and nutrients to the embryo. It removes carbon dioxide and excretory waste materials produced by the embryo. It also acts as endocrine tissue and produces several hormones like human chorionic gonadotropin HCG, human placental lactogen HPL, estrogens, progesterones, etc. Important development changes in human embryo. The human gestation period or pregnancy in humans lasts for 9 months. In human beings, after 1 month of pregnancy, the embryo's heart is formed. The first sign of growing fetus may be noticed by listening to heart sounds carefully through the stethoscope. By the end of the 2nd month of pregnancy, the fetus develops limbs and digits. By the end of 12 weeks, first trimester, most of the major organ systems are formed. For example, the limbs and external genital organs are well developed. The first movement of the fetus and appearance of hair on the head are usually observed during the 5th month. By the end of about 24 weeks, end of 2nd trimester, the body is covered with fine hair, the eyelids separate, and eyelashes are formed. By the end of 9 months of pregnancy, the fetus is fully developed and is ready for delivery. Development at 4 weeks. At this point, the baby is developing structures that will eventually form their face and neck. The heart and blood vessels continue to develop and the long stomach and liver start to develop. A home pregnancy test would be given positive result at this stage. Development at 4 weeks. At this point, the baby is developing structures that eventually form. Development at 8 weeks. The baby is now a little over half an inch in size. Eyelids and ears are forming and you can see the tip of the nose. The arms and legs are well formed. The fingers and toes grow longer and move distinct. Development at 20 weeks. The baby weighs about 10 ounces and is little more than 6 inches long. The baby can such a thumb, yawn, stretch. Development at 24 weeks. The baby weighs about 1.4 pounds now and respond to sounds by moving or increasing their pulse. Mothers may notice jerking motion if they hiccup. With the inner ear fully developed, the baby may be able to sense being upside down in the womb. Parturition. The average duration of human pregnancy is about 9 months, which is called the gestation period. Vigorous contraction of the uterus at the end of pregnancy cause expulsion of the fetus. This process of delivery of the fetus is called parturition. Parturition is induced by a complex neuroendocrine mechanism. The signals for parturition originate from the fully developed fetus and the placenta.